Hello, in this video I'll show how to use the LEED Tailored Option 2 Pollination app by using a LEED Tailored Option 2 study. So what you need to do is go to the app.pollination.cloud webpage, and on the front page you might see the app already. If it's not there, you can search for it and open the app. I will click this Go to App button, which will open the app in a new tab in the browser. And once it's open, you will see these three options from which you can select a study to present. If you're just checking out the app and you don't have any runs on the clouds using this LEED Tailored Option 2 recipe, you just want to check out the app, you can click this Try the Sample Run option, which will show and present this sample model. But in my case, I have a run I did in a previous video in the Pollination Grasshopper plugin. So I'll find my way to this run, and I did it under the Ladybug Tools accounts in the demo project. And this study was called LEED Tailored Option 2 Video. And there is only one run in this study, so I'll just select this single run here. And now it will start to download the files. And once that is done, it will present the results as shown before with the sample run. I can close this expander for now. The first thing we see is an overview. We see the LEED credits awarded to this study, to this model. We see the percentage passing. This is the floor area passing the illuminance thresholds for both 9 AM and 3 PM. In this 3D visualization, the first thing we see here is the pass-fail visualization. So that is the combined one for both 9 AM and 3 PM. So all the green sensor points we see here are the sensor points that passed the illuminance threshold for both 9 AM and 3 PM. And the floor area here, the green one, is equivalent to this percentage of the total floor area. We can also show the pass-fail for each time step individually, and there is also the illuminance for each time step individually. Below that, we have a model breakdown, a table showing the total sensor count and the sensor count, the number of sensors that passed the threshold, and we see the floor area passing and the percentage passing. You can also see these values for each time step individually. The percentage passing and the credits we see here are the same information shown in the beginning. Below that, we have another table showing a space by space breakdown for each space individually, where you can see the sensor count, the area, and the percentage passing. What you can do with these tables is to click this enlarge button, view in full screen. This is more useful if you are using the app in a smaller window. Right now I'm using viewing this app on a larger screen in a full screen, so it's not that useful for me right now. But what you can also do is to click these download buttons, which will download the tables as CSV files. Another final important thing to mention is these options up here, because now you see that it went over to this load from URL option, even though I started with this one. And that's because when I use this option and I select the run, it will take the URL of the run. This is the one we see here. And then it will update this URL we see up here. And if I copy this URL and open or go back to this browser and paste it and open the app through this URL, it will open the app in the same way as before. Now we don't have to go through this this menu to select the study. This means the URL is shareable, so you can send it to someone else who can then open the app using this run. And that was it. If you have any questions, please post them on the Pollination forum.